How to get $50 Amazon coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Amazon coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Amazon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. You can also check out this one website, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Amazon. After you open the website, just scroll and check out the offers. $25 off, 50% off, $50 off, and many more. You can head towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So I have selected $50 off, and here's the code for it. You can copy the code and click on redeem at Amazon. You will be directed to the official website of Amazon. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and pass it to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, because in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Amazon. The process is exact same to use any of these offers. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working coupon code for Amazon. Well, this way you can easily get $50 working coupon code for Amazon. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.